Hello, this is FBIce and today I'm going to show you on how to enable LTE of 4 grams forever. Make sure you watch the whole video. Let's start. 3G is somewhat slow, so switching to an alternative data speed is necessary in one's needs. You'll see the results after this video. First, what you will need to do is find the app called Phone. Then type the following code to get access to your phone. The code is #4636##. After that, you'll be directed to 3 options. Click the phone information and you'll see complicated things your phone has. Phone 0 is considered as SIM 1, while Phone 1 is basically SIM 2. I've chosen to fix my Phone 1 or SIM 2. Just look for the set preferred type network and basically change it to LTE only. LTE means 4G. Switch to that and you'll notice your cellular data changes from 3G to 4G. After that, for your 4G to be less laggy, look for cell refresh rate and change it to immediate. That will refresh your data and will have less lag than usual. This method is good for gaming, calls, streaming, and downloads since it offers great speed compared to 3G. I've been using this trick for a while now, and it haven't failed since. I'm grateful I've learned this and hope the same to you guys. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this.